Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. Just having a look at the ASX 200. It's come back to long-term support, and hopefully it holds that support. If it can hold that support and work its way up, hopefully the market can bounce a little bit into the green. You can see here it does look ugly. This is the short-term chart, and it really did break through that short-term support pretty easily. You've got to have a look at the VIX. I always think when the VIX gets over 20, obviously there's a bit of worry and a bit of panic in the market, and certainly is, and I think it jumped about 23% the other day. So the word is out there, the word is caution, and luckily, Equity Story has been trending its trending stocks with a strong degree of caution over the last sort of 2 or 3 weeks. We have had one eye on Brexit. We're not trying to sort of pat ourselves on the back here, but we have, and that's why we've been taking a lot of profits, being aggressive, and not putting on too many trends. However, one of the trends we had put on recently, AIA, we took a profit on simply because we could. It held up really well in a pretty tough day. I think if the market hadn't been in panic mode today, we would have had a nice even move higher with AIA. We didn't. So again, I think in this environment we're happy to take some profits. And SGR, a stock we put on the other day, I think it's just come back. It'll hold that sort of 550 level hopefully, and then I think once the Brexit fears have subsided, it will hopefully start making its way up again. We're not sort of too panicked. I know there's we're getting a lot of emails today, Dave. I'm sort of a bit worried with Brexit, but I think what we said to everyone last night. I think if you've made good money in a lot of these really great 3-year growth stories, the ones we've been putting out, if you've got a short-term approach, a lot of them have jumped 30% short. Take some profits. If not, hold them, because I think definitely on the medium term, most of these stocks like APX, look at those trends. They're still amazing. APX, Adasol, these are short-term trends. BWX, Catapult, held up really well today. XIP again held up really well. ITQ, just stunning. Look, even on 20-day moving averages. Northern Star, just a gem. Corporate Travel, MBE, that's on a. You got to look at this one again. Actually, MBE has broken those levels, but it tends to move like that. It's the way the stock does, but it will hold. I'm pretty confident MBE. The story's too good. The revenue model's very, very good. I think it'll hold these sort of levels before it works its way up. So OTW, again, not much volume in OTW, but you can see, there's nothing wrong with that chart, and even that short-term chart just coming back here to that 20-day moving average. I think, to be honest, we absolutely love our 3-year growth portfolio. I think it's a fantastic array of stocks, and if these stocks can come back more, we most probably will be putting out a recommendation to, if you haven't got them, to make sure you have got some of these stocks, because they're fantastic stories. We took profits today in AKP. Simply, we do feel this sort of environment, although we like the story, it's not generating any revenue yet. We made 65% profit. We thought we'd take it. What we most probably will do is trend this. So I'm going to watch the news. I do like obviously what they've invented. So we'll most probably just put it on a trending chart, and we'll trend it and try and make some more money with the stock that way. Bit of fun actually. Every weekend we put on stocks that we think should do well each week, or should do badly. And actually, it's quite interesting that the momentum and the trends really pick these gold stories up really well. And you can see there's generally today red all across the board. But here we had BDR, NCM, NST, RRL, and actually our bullish stocks held up very, very well, and so did the buy signals percentage-wise compared to the market. And I think again it just gives, in fact, 3 of our stocks we said were bullish hit record highs, and the market's gone back 2%. some pretty remarkable short-term advice there from Equity Story. So again, the stocks that we said would sell down, obviously they did sell down, and again, 2 of them hitting record lows. So Equity Story, in every single department we're outperforming the market. Great to see Crusader again. Cass, one of we're big believers in Crusader, and I think one of the other houses, I think it was Wiseowl, a pretty popular research house, put out a recommendation to buy this with a target price of 20 cents. So again, I think this has helped the price today. But Crusader, we've sort of been talking about this story for quite a while now. We really do like it, and hopefully over the next 2 months they're going to have some really good drill results, and members can start enjoying some really good serious profits in Crusader. I just like to say I'm quite excited in some ways when I see the markets pull back like this. There's a heap of stocks I'm sort of interested in and I'm passionate about, and I'm sort of hoping this will give us a really good opportunity to jump into some really good long-term trends on some weekly buy signals, which for me, we've got some great stocks which they're huge money makers for us. Companies like Hansen, absolutely love these type of companies. Anything Hansen any lower, 350 any lower, for me it's just it's easy pickings. And again, I was sort of a bit annoyed with myself today. One of our favorite stocks I keep making a lot of money with, ORE. Sorry, we've been trending off the daily chart. Again, it came back pretty strongly to around that 232, and I was going, oh yeah, just see it start turning up. But it turned up a little bit soon today. See how it trends tomorrow. If the market stabilize and we can buy it sort of sub 450, possibly this could be another great trend for us. And it's good money from 450 to $5, and this stock does move quickly and it moves fast. So hopefully we can go in there and try and steal a bit of more money out of the market. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story. Please don't worry about the market volatility. This is what markets do. I think we're excited. For us, it gives us opportunity to get into good stocks at good levels, and certainly the stocks we've got, we're very, very happy to be holding them. Anyway, we look forward to bringing you this report tomorrow night. Good night.